Hello, Richard here from M4 Airsoft. We are here testing a M4 Cqbr. So this one has had a custom PTS grip on there. We've got the, I've left this open here so you can see the bar kit on the back here. Obviously the bar kit just plugs in and you just put two sticks either side, tuck all the wires in, and then obviously put the butt pad on. We've also got installed a full tune-up kit. So we've got the Eagle 6 Upgrade Spring, we've got the Psionic R kit, we've got the Prometheus Type War Inner Barrel, we've got the FPS Bushings, we've got the Prometheus hard gear set, we've gone for 20 to 1, we've got the Eagle 6 Upgraded Recoil Spring for a harder recoil kick, we've got the FPS Spring guide, we've got the FPS Piston Head, we've got the FPS Carbon Piston, the FPS Cylinder Head, we've got the FPS Cylinder, which is the D-type, we've got the Prometheus Air Nozzle, and we've got the FPS reinforced carbon fibre tappet plates. We've got the Prometheus hard anti-reversal latch, and the Gate Titan rear wired. I believe we've put the Expert Edition in there, and we've got the which I believe is free of charge just for that upgrade. We've got the Warhead high-speed long motor, and is set up and tested at range on 3 ammo. So, and to your required FPS. Let me just get a mag in a second. There we go, so all tested, and we hope everything's okay on the build and everything's all good and that we can get this sent out to you. Thank you.